Hello YouTubers, today's video is we're going to be doing an air fryer chicken leg dinner.
I'll be using garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, an all-purpose or all-pasta seasoning that's ideal for using on poultry. Any other type of a poultry seasoning you could use would be acceptable. One of the popular ones would be one by Weber. If you want a little bit more kick to it, you can have Kickin' Chicken. I don't know if you can see that very well. There we go. There is some other flavors for chicken as well. That's not quite as strong. But for tonight, I'm going to use the all-pasta seasoning since I've just picked that up. I'm also going to be using 100% pure avocado oil. Very little of it. And I'll show you as I mix that in. I'll be cooking it at 375 degrees in my air fryer. I'll set it for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes I will stop. They call it shake, or else I'll be rotating it, and then I'll start it up again for the next 10 minutes. My air fryer is a Power XL 8-quart air fryer. I will preheat it for about 2 minutes at 375 degrees, and I always like to put the parchment liner on the inside. That makes cleanup a lot easier. I'm not exactly sure how it's going to affect our chicken today because we want it crispy, and there is a possibility it could make it the skin a little bit on the soggy side, but we're going to find out because this is the first time I've ever done it. Now I've rinsed off my chicken legs with water, dried them all off, and I put them in my bowl. First thing I'll do is I'll add the garlic powder to it. Next, we get black pepper. And I don't really measure it at all, I just sprinkle it on there. The next is this smoked paprika, and then I've got my all-pasta seasoning. Now I'm going to take some avocado oil, just add a little bit to it, and we're going to mix it up. Make sure everything gets all coated up nice. Now I've already preheated my air fryer at 375 for approximately 5 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the drawer and I'm going to put the parchment paper on the inside. I didn't put the parchment paper in first, or before I did the preheating, because when you do that, the air could kick it up and it could actually cause a fire. So now I'll put my chicken in here. Which is already seasoned and ready to go. Space them out so they're not touching. At least I try to get it that way. Now I'm going to set it for 375, and we're going to set it for 20 minutes. That means it's going to run for 10 minutes and then it'll stop, and then after 10 minutes we'll flip them. Now while my chicken is still cooking, I'm going to fix the cilantro lime and jasmine rice, and I've done this before. It only takes 90 seconds, and so what I'll do is, again, like I did the last time on one of my other videos, is I tear a 2-inch hole at the top. I'll stick it in the microwave for about 90 seconds. At that time, my chicken legs will be all done, and I can have it all served together. Okay, it's been on for about 10 minutes, so I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to flip these. I spun it around, and then just carefully flip this each one of these over. And I'll put it back in, and it's going to go in again for another 10 minutes. When I take it out, or after 10 minutes, I will check it and see what the temperature is reading at. Do a temperature check, and we are coming out right at about 165 degrees. So these things are nice and done. Rice is all done. I do like this cilantro lime. It smells really good. Now I'm going to slice a tomato up that I had in the fridge. A little blue cheese dressing on it. And just for giggles and grins, we'll put a little cilantro on here, just for a little bit of color. And there we are, a nice dinner. Cilantro, lime and rice, tomato with blue cheese, and fried chicken legs out of the air fryer.
I hope you enjoyed seeing how I fix an air-fried chicken leg dinner for 1 or 2 people. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching. And as always, your comments are always welcome.